Whether you're a seasoned professional or a fresh grad, listen up because we're about to show you how to dominate this platform. From profile optimization to influencer status, we've got all the LinkedIn juice you need to succeed. What is up everyone and welcome to See You Finder again. I'm Ethan. In today's video, we're diving into the wild world of LinkedIn in 2024. So first things first, let's talk about your profile. It's your digital storefront, your online resume on steroids. In 2024, a complete and professional profile is the key. Think clear headshot and a headline that screams "Hire me" or "Genius Marketer," depending on your goals, and a summary that tells your professional story with a dash of personality. But that's not all. Here are some extra tips for making your profile shine. Craft a headline that gets you noticed. Your headline is prime real estate. In those few precious characters, you need to tell people who you are, what you do, and why they should care. Don't just settle for your job title. Use relevant keywords to help people find you in searches, and add a touch of your unique value proposition. For example, instead of marketing manager, you could try digital marketing strategist, or let's say growing brands with SEO and content. Write a summary that showcases your awesomeness. Your summary is your chance to expand on your headline and tell your professional story in more detail. Highlight your key skills and experiences and what makes you stand out in your field. Use strong action verbs and quantifiable achievements whenever possible. Think of it as your personal elevator pitch, but with a bit more space to breathe. Customize your URL. Your LinkedIn URL is like your digital business card. It should be easy to remember and share. In most cases, you can customize your URL to include your name. This makes your profile look more professional and is easier to type out than a long generic URL. Target your audience. Who are you trying to reach with your profile? Once you know your target audience, you can tailor your headline and summary to their needs and interests. For example, if you're a marketing manager targeting CEOs, you might want to emphasize your experience in driving brand awareness and lead generation. Use keywords strategically. Keywords are the terms that people use to search for profiles on LinkedIn. By including relevant keywords in your headline and summary, you can increase your chances of being found by the right people. For instance, if you're a web developer specializing in JavaScript, you might want to include those keywords in your profile. Quantify your achievements. When possible, use numbers to quantify your achievements. This will help your profile stand out and make your experience more impressive. For example, instead of saying increased website traffic, you could say increased website traffic by 20% in 6 months. Proofread carefully. Make sure your headline and summary are free of typos and grammatical errors. A polished profile will make a positive impression on potential employers, clients, or collaborators. But wait, there is even more. Spruce it up with relevant keywords. These are magic words that help people find you in searches. Think of them like little search engine magnets. Don't underestimate the power of a keyword-rich profile. Now here's the trick. Think about the terms people would use to search for someone in your field and sprinkle those keywords throughout your profile. But do it naturally, of course. Do not overdo it. You don't want your profile to sound like a robot wrote it. And do not forget to showcase your skills and get those sweet endorsements from your colleagues. They add credibility and makes you shine. When it comes to skills, be selective. Don't just list every skill you've ever used. Focus on the skills that are most relevant to your current or desired job title. Ask colleagues or past clients to endorse your skills to add social proof and build trust with potential employers or clients. LinkedIn also allows you to showcase your skills with proficiency ratings. Be honest about your skill level, but do not be afraid to highlight your strengths. If you want to dive deeper into the context, you can read the full related article. It is absolutely worth it as you will gain incredible insight to the most highlighted LinkedIn tips and tricks. Now, getting noticed is half of the battle. To truly thrive on LinkedIn, you need to engage with your network, share valuable content, participate in discussions, and connect with people in your industry. By following these tips and constantly putting yourself out there, you can transform your LinkedIn profile from a static online resume into a powerful tool for career achievements and professional success. Remember, LinkedIn is all about building relationships. So be authentic, be helpful, and be strategic in your interactions. With a little effort, you can turn LinkedIn into your personal launchpad to professional startup. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more career tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.